What is going on, guys? It is Destroyer Gray Productions coming at you with another video, and this video is all about you. Yes, you. The person watching this right now, who clicked that subscribe button, who showed me the support, who is following me on Instagram, and if you're not, head over to DGProds, DGPRODS on Instagram. Follow me because we're up to 5460 followers. Back on track. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, because I could not do this without you guys. No YouTuber could do this without you guys. You guys give up the most essential and important and valuable thing that we are given, which is time. You sit down, you watch the video, you press on the thumbnail, you come to the channel, and you watch. And that is so freaking cool that you guys have decided to stumble upon this video and watch it, because I'm out here trying to make cool content for you guys that you guys will enjoy. Love hearing feedback. I love all the support. And if you guys want, and if you guys just stumbled upon this video and you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys, because I'm going to be bringing out new content every single week, and you guys aren't going to want to miss it. My challenger doesn't want you to miss it. All right, guys. Car meets that I'm going to go to, don't want you to miss it. And sure as hell, everything else that I'm doing doesn't want you to miss it. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. If you're on a computer, it's right here. If you guys want, you can go back to my channel, click on the Destroyer Gray Production. I don't know where it's at. It's probably right here somewhere. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take it easy, Mopar fam.